others are a little more experimental, and nothing is more experimental and dangerous to the marketplace to me than one specific peptide that I am seeing become rampant across the health and wellness community. There's peptides to get you lean, there's peptides to get you jacked, but nothing scares me more than the peptide that gets you tan, skinny, and horny. I'm talking about none other than Melanotan 2. I'm seeing this get drastically abused in the marketplace, and in this video I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about how to properly use this compound so that you don't end up on the wrong side of a noose. The problem is a lot of people have begun to abuse it, and they're seeing more harm than good. There's two products that are mainstream in peptide tanning. It's Melanotan 1 and Melanotan 2, and although they sound similar, they're drastically different products. Melanotan 2 is a three-pronged approach. It's not only the tan, it's also the horny and the skinny. That's why they call it the Barbie drug, because it gets these people tan, skinny, and horny. Aside from the immediate pain and discomfort of Melanotan, which is not a huge deal, the much greater concern lies in its potential to even cause or accelerate cancer because of its ability to rapidly darken moles and freckles. This is why it's so important to work with a proper medical professional, because if someone doesn't ask you these questions ahead of time, or if someone doesn't screen you for these type of things, you could quite literally accelerate cancer in your body, which is ridiculous all over trying to get a suntan. After my experience trying nearly every different peptide that's out there, in my stage now, I'm probably someone who's going to veer more towards Melanotan 1 instead of Melanotan 2. I don't need the skinny and the horny. I've got other stuff for that, and to me, it's not worth the negatives that come with it. I would rather just focus on something like Melanotan 1 and only focus on the skin benefits as opposed to having to deal with the mole darkening as well as the gut problems and the libido thing. But if you're concerned with some of the health drawbacks, I would start with just Melanotan 1 and then find other options for that libido and appetite suppression.